Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about the owner of NBKC Bank. This is a question that I've been getting a lot lately, and I'm happy to finally answer it for you. But before we get into that, I want to take a moment to talk about the importance of knowing who owns your bank. Your bank is a financial institution that you trust with your money. It's important to know who is in charge of that money and what their goals are. So, who owns NBKC Bank? The answer is NBKC Bank is a subsidiary of NBK Capital, which is a wholly owned subsidiary of National Bank of Kuwait, NBK. NBK is one of the largest financial institutions in the Middle East. It has a long history of providing reliable and innovative financial services to its customers. So, what does this mean for you as a customer of NBKC Bank? It means that your money is in good hands. NBK is a well-established and reputable financial institution. They have a strong track record of financial stability and profitability. It also means that you have access to a wide range of financial services. NBK offers a full range of banking products and services, including checking and savings accounts, loans, credit cards, and investment services. 1. So, why is it important to know who owns your bank? There are a number of reasons why it's important to know who owns your bank. First, it can help you to understand the bank's goals and priorities. Second, it can help you to assess the bank's financial stability. Third, it can help you to choose the right bank for your needs. How can you find out who owns your bank? There are a few ways to find out who owns your bank. You can check the bank's website, or you can call the bank and ask. You can also look up the bank's information on a website like Bloomberg or Reuters. Conclusion. I hope this information has been helpful. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment below. Additional information. NBK is a publicly traded company. Its shares are traded on the Kuwait Stock Exchange. NBK has a network of over 500 branches and offices in more than 20 countries. NBK is rated A+ by Standard & Poor's and AA3 by Moody's. With that said, thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more financial content.